Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be an interesting video because I'm gonna recommend products, my favorite products from Good Vibes brand. It is a very good brand making affordable ranges so that everyone can get their hands on these products, and it is also paraben and sulfate free, which is a great deal I think. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. The first product that I'm going to recommend is their essential oils, especially these two variant from their essential oils. This is tea tree and this is the lavender one. I have been using this for quite a long time. I think this is my third bottle and this is my second bottle, guys. I have been loving their essential oils very much. You can try other variants if you want to. I'm recommending the tea tree oil to people who have dandruff and dry hair problem, and also a lot of breakout and acne on your skin. This one is a miracle in this bottle, guys. Beautiful. It works amazing for your dandruff and dry hair. Very simple to use. You can mix it with your normal hair oil. You don't need much. It comes with a convenient dropper. So you have to use like 1, 2, 3, 4 drops in your hair oil depending on your length and the quantity of hair oil that you take for massaging your hair. Mix it well, apply it. You can leave it for 1 to 2 hours and then you can wash it off with a mild shampoo, and trust me guys, you will see a major difference in your dandruff and in your dryness. And for your acne, you can use the same procedure. You can mix it with your night lotion and apply it on your active acne, or you can directly apply it if your skin can take it. You can use that earbud and apply it on your active acne, and this will help in drying out your acne very quickly and leaving no scar on your skin. And always I recommend a patch test before using any product. It goes without saying, guys. And also, there are so many guys in my channel. I mean, there are so many male subscribers in my channel. I'm not recommending products only for girls. Even guys can use this. It's unisex. And the second one is this lavender essential oil.
It has an amazing fragrance, guys.
Oh my god. So this one, if you want that shiny and lustrous looking hair, you should get your hands on this beautiful oil. Same procedure, mix it with your hair oil and apply it on your scalp and to your lens, because this is gonna give that shine to your hair. Beautiful, beautiful oil. And if you're suffering from sleeping disorder, you can put 2 or 3 drops on your pillow covers, and while you sleep, when you're smelling this beautiful fragrance, you will get to sleep very quickly. This retails for 245 rupees. I'm sure this also will be in the same price range. You can always get these at a discounted rate on Purple. That's why I'm recommending these products to you guys. Second recommendation from Good Vibes are their face scrub. This is their papaya variant and this is their rose hip variant. I've tried the Brazilian variant, but I didn't like it that much. I fell in love only with these two face scrubs, so I'm gonna recommend only these two. If you want to give a try, if you like experimenting new variants, you can obviously go for it. But I'm recommending these two because these two are amazing. Both of the scrubs work in a similar way. It gives a beautiful glow to your skin after you scrub it off, and it's extremely creamy, guys. Look at that. You can hardly feel the scrub particles in it. It's extremely mild, so even sensitive skin girls can use it. I think they've used the apricot shell as a scrubbing particle. And let me show you the papaya variant as well. Vibes products are pretty strong in their fragrance, not too overpowering, but if you're someone who doesn't like fragrance, like zero fragrance, if you're expecting, then Good Vibes is not the one for you. If you're okay with a little fragrance in your skincare, then these are amazing products for you guys. Both works in a similar way by giving a beautiful glow to your skin when you scrub it, and highly recommend this product. Both are really affordable. Third product is their papaya face mask. This is little bit pricey. This is around 400 I think, but again you can get it on a discounted rate. Trust me guys, this is worth every penny.
Why can't they change the package? Oh my god, smell is amazing, guys. Look at that.
It's exactly a papaya mousse in a tub. Extremely creamy on your skin guys. You will not feel like applying something harsh on your skin. Extremely easy to apply it on your face, and within 10 minutes it gets dried out on your skin, so you don't have to leave this for 15 minutes. After 10 minutes you can wash it off and it will give a beautiful healthy looking glow on your skin. On consistent usage you will start loving this product because this is gonna give that healthy glow on your skin. The last and final recommendation from Good Vibes are their hair products. This is their hair masks. It's been a while that I haven't spoken about hair masks. Trust me, these are beautiful guys. This one is keratin nourishing hair mask and this one is amla shigekai strengthening hair mask. First, this keratin hair mask guys, if you have extremely dry and frizzy hair and I'm not able to tame my hair, even after using conditioner it's very dry, then girls, grab this. You will start loving this product like anything. You will not need a conditioner, I'm telling you. This is like post hair wash, this is like pre-hair wash mask, so you have to apply it on your scalp. If you want you can apply it on your lens as well and leave it on for 1 hour and then you can wash it off. You will never need the conditioner for your hair. It is that amazing. Your hair will feel feathery soft after applying this mask. Extremely nourishing for your hair guys. Beautiful mask to try, and this retails for 499 rupees. Again you can get it on a discounted rate. The second one is the Amla Shigekai. It says it is for hair strengthening. I've used this quite a bit. Both are quite similar in the consistency and work wise. I don't know whether it does anything for strengthening my hair, but it does give a hair spa feel when you apply it on your scalp. So little goes a long way. So beautiful products from Good Vibes guys. Hope you guys find this video helpful. Thank you so much for tuning in guys. Take care and stay safe. Bye.